Welcome to Listing Engine. There are two ways to create listings. You can create a single listing, or you can use our new bulk create feature to generate multiple listings at once. In this demo, I'll show you how to use bulk create. From this page, you can upload individual images or a full folder of photos. You can then order your images by file name or modified date, depending on how you have them organized. To group an item, click Row Selection Mode. Then select the first and last image for that item. Next, add your SKU, choose your platform and enter the price and quantity. Use the Save feature to save your settings for the batch. Also, keep on sequential SKU and Listing Engine will automatically update the SKU for each item. Then click Allocate and repeat the same process for the rest of your items. Once everything has been allocated, click Create Drafts. Listing Engine will then generate your listings in bulk, including the titles, descriptions, and item specifics. When the drafts are ready, head to the Listings page, where you can review each listing and publish them to eBay.